Hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Rubbermaid Multilingual caution floor sign. Yeah, now at my company where I work, we purchased I'll say about 15 to 20 of these because it's in a very big building and we need one for each area pretty much. And we purchased probably around about 5 years ago. They have stood the test of time. I mean, they look a little beat up because, we use these quite a bit because in the building that I work in, have a lot of, spills and things like that, and water and ice and different things happen every now and then to where, we need these signs just to, be safe for people to walk. I've seen these all over the place, I remember when we got them, and it was a while back ago, and they still look in very much good shape. Yeah. This sign is about I would say about 25 inches tall. Yeah. And it's made from a durable plastic that's really strong. It's not going to rust, and it's not going to corrode in any way, and it's not going to fade. These letterings on here have been on there since the beginning, and they still really, look very, very clear and crisp. Yeah. And one of the best parts about this sign is the fact that it's multilingual. I mean, you can see where it says this caution here, and it's the Spanish word for caution right there, and it has the universal symbol here for caution right there, so everybody can understand that they need to watch out when they are walking in that area. This sign, I guess like most of the caution signs out there on the market today, fold up like this, and then flatten out pretty flat. It's for very nice storage, so you can pretty much put this in just about anywhere, to stack it away. You can, if you have several of these, you can stack them on top of one another. Yeah, and just put it in the closet or underneath something, and just use it when the time comes. It's very, very, very good. The fact that this is made so thin, so you can store it away really easily. Yeah, I like these signs a lot because also it is very lightweight. Doesn't weigh hardly anything. Yeah, and it's pretty tall. Yeah, lightweight and pretty tall. Now, it also here on this side has a handle that you can use to carry it around. And it's not just like a straight handle here. It is on the top, but underneath it has ripples here to where it is, takes the shape of your hand on your grip, so you can carry this around no problem, just like this. I've even carried two of these at the same time in one hand, just like that, It was no problem because the grip holding it is really good. Now, you're never gonna have an issue with it, the joints here being hard to open or close. Now, this won't open all the way. Like, you can't lay this caution sign flat. It will only open to that much, and if you try to open it farther than that, you will get resistance, and you'll see that it's like fighting you back. It doesn't want to open any farther than that, and it shouldn't. It's just going to open just this much, just so you can, display it like this. It's not going to open up any wider than that. And yeah, now this is a pretty good brand of sign. Rubbermaid has been out there quite a long time. I know my company buys these products from Rubbermaid quite often, and they have for several years, and they swear by them. Yeah, and I use these. They're very good signs. They're just the right size. Yeah, okay. Well, we've been talking about the Rubbermaid Multilingual Caution floor signs. All right, well, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.